Hey y'all, come with me shopping for some groceries. We're gonna take a quick run for some fresh produce. The famous Bok Chow, aka Pak Chow, as us Jamaicans will call it. Some broccoli. Yep. Who don't love them some broccoli? Well, I don't. I just cook with it. Alright. Now we go. Who I love me some fresh bell peppers. Yeah, look at the price. Everything is very sky high out here, y'all. Every time I go to the grocery store, I end up spending twice as much. Turmeric is very essential. I use this in my tea, in my food, and I use this in blending my juices and all. Not a lot of people like okra. I use this in my steamed fish. I use this in my vegetables. Now, look here. I don't know why people eat that, but anyway. Grabbing some beets because I'm going to blend me some LT juice. My Scotch bonnet pepper is a must in my household. All right, let's go. I like to come shopping early mornings because I get away from all the hustle and bustle. So when you're in the store and you're free to shop, you're easily to make great decision and stuff that you pick up. Some sweet carrots. I love carrots. I will just eat it raw. I don't care. As long as it's organic and it's real, because sometimes you can't determine what's real or not. So garlic is so useful in everything. I use it in all my dishes. Green bananas. If you're from the island, you know what green banana is for. Cabbage. Yeah. I like me some cabbage. Ooh, look at these corn. Oh my God, they are so beautiful. They look so fresh. I know I'm going to love these. Look at the price. Not too bad. Ginger. Who doesn't like them some ginger? And that's what's over there. That's some island. Most of this aisle is from the Caribbean. Pumpkin, potatoes, and stuff like that. And pumpkin, I do my soup. Okay, so let's get some fresh wild caught salmon. I love me some salmon. All right, I think I'm going to take these sips. The price was ridiculous, but guess what? You treat yourself sometime to a nice piece of salmon, you're good to go. I'm just going to have this probably do a barbecue salmon. All right, my cart is getting full, y'all. What else am I missing? Let me grab some more Scotch bonnet pepper because I'm just going to make me a little pickle sauce. And that will serve me for about maybe a couple months or so. I'm not too big on frozen vegetables and stuff, but I just picked this up in case. Gotta got your powder seasoning, your dry seasoning. I wonder why this chicken looks like that. But anyways, keep it moving. What are we going to do with this pork? Oh, I'm going to do some stewed pork. So I shop in advance for the meals I'm going to prep because I cook almost every day. And when I cook, I take to work. I eliminate buying food because I am not so good with eating out and I don't do fast food. All right, so this aisle carries mostly island snacks. Ooh, this is my favorite. One of my favorite snacks from Jamaica. Growing up as a kid, I love me some tigers. Let's get one in the cart. Bigfoot, I can have it here and there. Not too much on the salt. Yes, girl, this is one of my favorite. Two, please. All right, so we're browsing some sausage. Look at Shelly and Fraser. Shelly and Fraser Price, champion. All right, she's an ambassador for Grace. All right, what next? What are we missing? Some more snacks, some more island snacks, some more. So this is a brand that I grew up with, Excelsior crackers, and they also have Excelsior water crackers. Tasty's brand is good. Tasty cheese, bun and cheese. If you're from the Caribbean, if you're Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about. And we have the jasmine rice. So guys, drop in the comment section and tell me if that brand is a good brand. I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna get me some jerk sauce. It's just gonna walk past by like that, huh? Anyways, so I'm searching for the brand Walker's with jerk sauce, but I don't think they have it here in this store. Maybe on the other aisle, I'll think. And the Better Pack Curry brand. These will do, but I'm looking for the most popular brand, and it really is a good brand. Anyway, some honey. I used to mix my tea. Some red peppers. I'm going to use that in my salmon. My dry seasoning. What am I missing at home? I like to grab a can here and there from this Grace sardine. You should try it. It comes in the hot pepper with hot pepper, so it's really tasty. I have that like sometimes when I don't want to cook anything, just want something to snack on. I can eat it with a slice of bread or something like that, or some crackers. That's the best choice. Some nice Excelsior crackers. Okay, so let's move on to our pots and pans. So I need some utensils, and I'm looking for a pan to do my meal. So I'm gonna do chicken chop suey for dinner today. I'm looking for one of them fry pan, saucepan, whatever pan. All right, I think I'm gonna go with the wok. Don't ever leave me in these places, because girl, I was shop till I'm drop. I like utensils, the home decor. I was shop, trust me. Oh, they have clearance going on here. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. Nice. Non-stick. Okay, so I'm trying to leave that alone. It's not LT. I'll go with my Dutch pots and my stainless steel pots. Okay, I got a winner right here. So it's huge though. Well, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to try the wok. And for that price, yeah. Let's get it. There's another one, $6. Hey, I needed me a new frying pan anyways. Okay, add that one to my list. All right, so I'm back home, guys. And I think I've got 3 pans in total. So I'm going to do a little video later on and how I season this wok, because it's a cast iron wok, so you have to season it first. So I'm going to do a video and upload how I season this. So I'm going to use this, create my next meal, which I'm going to make, and I'm going to upload it. And you could look in the description box later on. I might drop the link to the video, and I do my chicken chop suey, so you can see all of that. So thanks for hanging out with me today in the store. I appreciate it. Here is a sneak preview of my chicken chop suey. You can check out the upload on my next video. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share, and help me push this video into the algorithm. Bye, y'all.